Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The y coordinate of the point 4 and 0 is what? We have x and y. X is the first coordinate, y second coordinate. He won't find the y coordinate of the point 4 and 0. The y coordinate will be equal 0. Choose letter D. It's y coordinate about this example. Question number 2. Two and third product by 6. We can write 3 in numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And then 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 2 times 7 equals 14. Question number 3. The original point is 0 and 0. We call it original point. This point here, original point. Intersection about x-axis and y-axis. We call it 0 and 0. It's the order. Question number 4. Any triangle has at least 2 acute angles. Any triangle such as that isosceles triangle has 2 and 1. We have 3 acute angles here. And what about right angle triangle? We have 2 acute angles. And what about obtuse triangle? We have 2 acute angles. Then we have 2 acute angles at the least. A triangle has 2 angles, has at least 2 acute angles. Question number 5. Area of rectangle equal length times width. Length times width. Choose letter B. Next question, number 6. 3 over 4 subtract by 3 over 5. We can write the least common multiplication between 2 denominator, it will be 20. Okay, 4 times 5 equal 20 and 3 times 5 equal 15. 4 times 5, 20, 3 times 4 equal 20. And then we can find the difference between them. 15 minus 12 equal 3. Then the result will be 3 over 20. Question number 7. The triangle is a polygon that has base angles. Any triangle has 3 angles, such that equilateral triangle has 3 angles. Any triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Then we must write 3. Show letter C. Question number 2. Complete. Number 1. 1 subtract by 5 over 7. We can find the difference between them. 1 equals 7 over 7. Subtract by 5 over 7. Write 7 on the numerator and 7 minus 5 equal 2. Question number 2. Half hour equal 30 minutes, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Question number 3. 2 and 5ths. Product by 3. Write 5 in the numerator. 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 1 equal 11. Product by 3. And then 3 times 11 equal 33. And 1 times 5 equal 5. And then you can sample this fraction, convert 33 over 5 from improper to mixed number. Write 5 here. 5 times 6 equals 30 and the remainder 3. Then the result will be 6 and 3 over 5. Question number 4. In the equilateral triangle LMN, LM equal MN equal 6 centimeter. Then LN will be 6 centimeter. Because we have equilateral triangle, 3 sides equal lengths. Then question 4, the length of LN will be 6 centimeter. Question number 5, the volume of cuboid will be length times width times the height. The length was 10 and width 3 and height was 3. 10 times 3 30, 30 times 3 equal 90, since the volume will be 90 cubic meter, because the dimension was meter. Question number 6, in triangle ABC, AB equal, okay, we have triangle here, ABC, AB equal EC was 7 centimeter here and here, and the base was 4 centimeters. Then the triangle, we called it isosceles triangle. This triangle is an isosceles. An isosceles triangle. because we have two sides equality in the triangle. We called it isosceles triangle. Question number 7. 3.5 plus 2 and third. We can write the least common multiplication between two fractions. It will be 6. Write 6 here. And write 3 whole numbers. And 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 plus 2, it will be 5. And write 6 in the numerator. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then the result will be 5 and 5 or 6. Question 8. The least common multiplication of two of the numerators of 3 over 7 and 1 over 3. It will be 21 because 7 and 3 we called it relatively prime numbers. Then the least common multiplication between two denominator here, it will be their product. 3 times 7 equals 21 because 7 and 3 relatively prime numbers. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. 2 and 1 over 7 by regrouping, it will be what? We have 2 and 1 over 7. We can regroup it. Write 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 7, and 1 here equals 7 over 7 plus 1 over 7. Write 1 and 7 plus 1 equal 8. Then by regrouping, the result will be letter A, 1 and 8 over 7. Question number 2 is the fraction 15 over 20 in the simplest form. We can divide it by 5 numerator and numerator. 15 divided by 5 equals 3, 20 divided by 5 equals 4, then the result will be 3 over 4. Question number 3. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 2, we can write 4 in the numerator. 2 times 2 equals 4, and 2 times 1 equals 2, then the sum of them will be 5 over 4. You can simplify it. 5 divided by 4 equals 1, and the remainder 1. The result will be 1 and 4. Choose letter D. Question number 4. If third divided by A equal 1 over 12, then the value of A equal what? We can find the value of A. A here is a divisor. To find the divisor, you must write the dividend divided by the quotient. Okay, and then write third, convert from division to multiplication, write reciprocal about 1 over 12, it will be 12 over 1. 12 over 1, it will be 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Then the result will be 4. Next question, number 5. If measure of angle x equals 90 degree and measure of angle y equals 30 degree, measure of angle z 60 degree, then this triangle we call it right angle triangle because the measure of this angle, the vertex, was 90 degree, x, y, and z. He give us here 30 degree and angle z 60 degrees. The measure of angle x equal 90 degree. We called it right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angle triangle. Choose right. Choose letter C. Question number 6. The measure of central angle is that colored circular sector here half. Half was 180. Half of 360, it will be 180 degree. Next question, 50 divided by 4, you can convert from division to multiplication. Write reciprocal about second term here. Write 1 over 5 product by 1 over 4. 1 times 1 equals 1, 4 times 5 equals 20, then the result will be 1 over 20. Question here is answer the following. In the opposite coordinate plane, graph the figure ABCD. Here he gives us points E and B and C and D. Okay, I will draw the coordinate here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first point E, 3 and 2, going from 3 to going up to it's point A. Point B, 3 and 5, 3 to 5, it's point P. Point C, 6 and 5, 6 and going to 5 here, point C. Point D, 6 and 2. And then draw this triangle ABCD. Okay, you want to find the length of AD. Count from A to D. We have 3 to 6, then we have 3 units. Because the point A was 3 and 2, and point D was 6 and 2. The distance between them 3 units. We have 3 units here. Okay, it's the result of this question. Next question number 2. Ali studied Arabic 3.5 hours and science 3.5 hours. How many hours did Ali study? Now we can find the sum of them. We can add 3.5 and 2.5. Then we can write Ali studied. Write the first 3.5 and the second 3 plus 2 5 and half plus half 2 over 2 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then Ali studied 6 hours. Question number 3. Find the area of rectangle, lengths and width. We have length 2 dimensions 3 over 10 meter and width 2 meter. We want to find the area. We can write 3 over 10 length product by width, and 2 divided by 2 1. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then the result will be 1 times 3 equal 3 and 1 times 5 equal 5. Then the area will be square meter. 3 over 5 square meter. It's area of square. A rectangle length times width. Area equal length product by width. Question number 4. 2.5 subtracted by 1 over 4. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator. 4. 2 times 2 4. 2 times 1 equal 2, and they write the difference between them. 1 and 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then the result will be 1 and 4.